Welcome back to d.D.c, home of the backyard barbecue and indoor cooking experience. Follow along, we're doing an unboxing. Alright people, so in every one of your barbecue journeys, at least people that have already gotten into it, at one point or another you've binge watched a ton of YouTube clips and you salivated over a specific grill, a specific smoker, some cool badass cooking platform. And today I've got one and I am super excited to bring it to you. I tell you what, these are the things dreams are made of. So let's bring you in a little closer and we'll rip that cloth right off, huh? Drum roll. Wait. What happened there? Looks a little small, don't it? Alright, so yep, that was a little bit clickbaity, I am sorry. This episode is actually to be a friendly reminder to anybody who's just getting into this, to just show them that, hey, you know, you guys, you don't have to drop, $5,000 to create decent barbecue. You can literally do what we did here. Now, I'm not sponsored by this company nor the company of which we purchased this from. We bought it from Aldi's. This was $17, and I guarantee you can create good barbecue on it. And this is where it starts for people. Let's build the experience. Let's learn. This is where you build your instinct. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this, and then we're going to get it to use. All right, on the actual reel, one of the most important tools you can use in any type of cooking and grilling is underneath this. Stick around to the end of the clip and I will show you, and I guarantee you'll agree. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not angry with this. Probably weighs coming in on damn near 30 pounds. It's pretty good thick metal. Almost 2 feet long. Nice slide out tray. More than enough space to actually do a little indirect cooking. We're gonna bring her outside, start a fire and cook her off. Then I think we're gonna do some sausages. Come on. Alright, I got a fire starter underneath this. I'm going to slide it in, get it going. Probably go cut the lawn, let this burn in. Probably spray it with a little bit of cooking spray, and then we'll get some sausage on. Alright, we'll let that burn and burn off. Alright, you take a look at that charcoal, huh? That's been sitting in there for the better part of 2.5 hours. I added just like 5 or 6 extra pieces right before I put the meat on it. The meat's been on there for well over an hour. Ooh, look at that juice. Yep, nope, these are probing it just right. Instead of searing these off, I'm going to bring them in, go inside and cut up a pepper. Alright, originally I was going to do a few different color peppers, but my lovely daughter, who is a pepper addict, which is good addiction if you ask me, went right ahead and swiped them. So I guess we're just going to do these right here. I'll save her a couple because she loves them raw. And yeah, we're going to sear these off, and then we'll toast up some bread and we'll be right back. Alright, just get these straight over the direct heat and open up that draft the whole entire way. There we go. We're just going to sear these off. Yeah, let's get a little cooking spray action in here. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, don't play with fire. Alright, idea of this isn't to brown these and get these fully all the way cooked through. I just want to get a little color on them so they're still a little crisp. Let's see how well this toast bread, huh? Next time you guys catch me, I'll be inside putting the sandwich together, alright? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little blister action on them peppers, a little bit of toast action on the Texas toast. We're going to go inside, we're going to put it all together, slice up that sausage, and remember, stick around, I'm going to show you that last important tool after I do that last bite, okay? Stick around. Alrighty. These have gotten to rest a little bit. They're so plump. But you see how juicy these are. Ooh la la. I don't like cutting these right down the middle, because they're an awkward shape. But we'll just cut them this way. Ooh. Ooh. See if we can get that juiciness, the glistening. There we go. Got that pepperoni sausage. If I can figure out how to put the link in the description below to when I actually made those, it is a worthy clip. One piece of Texas toast. Oh, wait, no, we still got something else to do here real quick. Cut up that pepper. We're keeping this simple today, guys. Just going to do a little pepper, a little mustard. I think the amount of seasoning that went into that pork sausage is going to be more than enough to carry all kinds of flavor. Probably put just a little bit of mustard on it, guys. Going to keep it simple. There we go with that. Let's get some of these peppers on here. Beautiful orange peppers. It sounded like my son's choking to death in the background. He's really not. He's just putting on a show. You know how it is, kids, with kids. As soon as you say you're going to hit that play button, that's when they start doing their thing. He was actually my cameraman today for a bit. I think I'm going to start making that a thing. It's actually really fun filming with my kids. It's not every day your duckies will take an interest in something you're doing. So I'd highly recommend it to anybody who is a content creator. Get your kids involved. Look at that. Ooh. All right. Now, let's give that the chop. Oh, yeah. We're not going to do mustard. I don't even want to. Also known as I forgot. Alright, we'll pull you up for the bite, and then we'll do the last unboxing for that last tool. Like I said, stick around, guys. It's worth it. Alright. Here we go. Nice juicy sausage. Pizza sausage, to be exact. On Texas toast with orange bell pepper grilled. Hey, I tell you what. Other than a whole entire sausage falling out. That actually did pick up a little bit of that smoke flavor from the maple wood chips. It was a nice juicy sausage. It's no worse than if I had put it on my Weber kettle or smoked it. So that's what I'm saying, guys. That's why you don't want to sleep on a smaller platform. Get involved in it from the bottom when you get into this. Even if you're already doing it and you're looking to just challenge yourself in a fun new way. But when you're starting to establish that talent, you know, being able to be that neighborhood barbecue god, think small. Because if you can get a good meal produced on something that simple and that cheap, you're going to do magic on a bigger equipment. Now let's show you that last thing, then we'll do our close, and then you guys can go on your own missions. All right, guys. Now for that last unboxing. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now, for those of you who don't understand exactly what this is, this represents you. You are the most important tool in your cooking. All of the shinies that you get and equipment you get, they're just an extension of you. So while you're on the journey, educate yourself, talk to people, ask questions, learn lessons, try things, succeed and fail. But you are the most important tool. And remember, folks, there is no barbecue without you.